Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to another video. I want to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is the channel where we talk about my top stocks, and we also talk about dividend stocks and business ventures that generate passive income. Okay, so if you're new, please click that subscribe button and please like and share. Well, great news to all my subscribers. I have just got my new handle with YouTube. It's youtube.com/chilidavis.com. So that's a great way you can find me. Share that with all your friends and family. I also did just get a community tab. So with the community tab, I'm able to post videos and different images and also do the normal stuff like polling and stuff to see what you, the subscribers, like. Okay, so that's just the new features. YouTube is allowing my content to free flow. So I want to thank you all for supporting the channel and keep supporting. Please like and share. Okay, back to the topic of the day. Stocks rallied this Friday. This is Chili Davis. I'm back to another video. Welcome back, all. Again, the stock market rallied this Friday. The portfolio is up 1.14%. And it was great news. Apple led the way. So it was not all bad tech. We had Amazon fall, though, fall below $103. It actually fell as low as 90-something dollars on the day. Okay, so here it is. Amazon, the share once trading at the split price of $110 just 3 months ago, back in June, is now trading below $100 per share. And then as the day picked back up, it did climb back into the hundreds at 103. But Amazon did fall, but my portfolio did not fall today. It rallied with Apple. Apple did beat earnings. Okay, so here it is. Apple over the last 5 days is up 5.72% based off of Q4 earnings. Great news out of Cupertino. Tim Cook, here it is. Look at the stock on Thursday was trading at $140 per share, and boom, this Friday it cranked it up for over 5% on the day. Okay, so there was Apple climbed its hottest over 8% on the day off the good news out of Apple. Again, the stock shot up over 8% after beating earnings late. Beat earnings 1.44% and beat on revenue 1.55%. Okay, so even though this is not a new high, the high is $182, but apparently what was said on the earnings call was great news. Okay, you can check that out at appleinvestor.com. I have the link below if you want to listen to the earnings call. All right, so here's some quick article. Apple stock spikes on earnings, and Apple stock closes out its best day since 2020. Tim Cook leading the way. Okay, Apple's earnings beat record back-to-school max sales, outweigh a slight number. Okay, so good news for Apple. Again, one of the #1 consumer products, Apple devices, the iPhone. The iPhone is coming out, iPhone 14, and laptops and other iPads are sold in watches. Okay, so Apple did beat Q4 earnings, and again, you can watch the results or listen to the earnings call on appleinvestor.com. The stock that did crash today was SQQQ. The shorts did lose this Friday. As you can see, the short QQQ was down over 9% on the day. Okay, so the shorts got squeezed out on Friday. Normally the shorts win on Friday, but this Friday the shorts got crushed. Here it is, tech shorts got crushed over 9%. So this was the shorts. Okay, so this is when the hedge funds come in and say, hey, we think that this stock isn't worth anything, we're going to do a put. And they got crushed today because Apple surged and led the way. Okay, so let's go back to the Robinhood portfolio real quick. Okay, here we are in the Robinhood portfolio. we did see Google shares surge over 4.57% after falling the day before as well. Let's take a quick look at Google because it is one of my favorites. So we saw Google yesterday. Google the other day, it fell over 8%, but today it did climb back up a couple percent, over 4% on the day. Okay, so I encourage people to continue to buy Google or Alphabet shares because it's a great company. They will be back. We understand that there's a little bit of slowdown in the market on advertising, but Google has many products that serve different verticals you could be investing in when you invest with Google. All right, so we had Google was up 4.56%. We also had Snapchat up 5.86%. We had Apple, of course, as we talked about earlier, climbed over 8%. What else do we have here? Robinhood climbed over 3%. And let's see. AMD shares climbed over 6.66%. Now, AMD does report earnings next week, so we'll see if it climbs higher. Also, you got SoFi was up today, 1.68. This is the fintech bank. They deal with student loan refinancing, also personal loans, and also brokerage account as well. I am a member of SoFi as well, and I also hold a little over 160 something shares in SoFi. All right. So as far as today I did purchase some Amazon and Alphabet. I purchased some Amazon, $12 of it, and also purchased some Alphabet and some Tesla tag on the stocks while they were down. All right, so let's check out the news really quick. GM paid advertisement on Twitter after Elon Musk takeover. Okay, so this is the deal. Elon Musk did let go some employees this past Thursday, and this Friday he took full control of the company and has a strong outlook for the new Twitter app. Okay, so that is the news. Elon Musk taking over Twitter, and he did let go of some top executives already. Okay, it is rumored last week he did say he was going to lay off over 75% of the staff, and he already got the cutting this Thursday and Friday morning. All right. What else? U.S. Rail Watchdog orders top carriers to report metrics for 6 months. And peering into Rivian Automotive recent short interest. Okay, so people are shorting Rivian, not satisfied with the numbers so far. They are still ramping up production for the new Rivian truck, and Amazon does have a nice 1 to 2% position in Rivian. Okay. Also we have experts rating for Alibaba Holdings. And self-driving cars aren't dead. Lessons from Ford, big flop. Okay, so both Ford was up 2% today and Tesla. Tesla being the primary #1 EV car maker, and Ford coming on strong with the F-150 Lightning truck. All right, and let's see. I think that's all the news there. Again, today news, Twitter was acquired officially. Elon Musk became CEO or owner of Twitter. That is big news. Now let's take a quick look at my other portfolio, see what we did in the other portfolio. Okay, here in the other portfolio, we were up 2.12% for a little over $700. Tesla led the way for 1.47% for a gain of $161. And Apple was right behind it at 7.62% for a gain of $111. AMD in third place for a gain of 6.48%. And Microsoft led the way late. Again, this is not that good, but again, Microsoft did climb back into action today at 3.89% for a gain of $64. Also, a dividend stock did pay one main holding was up 6.79%. So that was a nice move. So you had some tech here, you had some stability with OneMain Financial, also another dividend paying stock. Ford was up today 2%, and AMT was up 3%, and Nvidia was up over 5.34%. Now, two of these stocks do report next week, Nvidia and AMD, so still be on the lookout for them. Also, SoFi does report next month, I think on the 11th, but either way, a lot of still good companies yet to report this earnings season, okay? But we had a great day for a Friday. Actually, IIPR, Innovative Industrial Products, was up 3%, another dividend-paying stock. And also, see, Visa for a second day in a row was up 2.67%. So those are my top stocks. Real quickly, let's take a look at opportunities. There was a few. I did see ConocoPhillips do a pullback today. One of the energy stocks, they did a pullback. As I mentioned, the SQQQ was down. The short was down again 9%. And let's take a look at the biggest loser in this portfolio today was Amazon, was down over 6.3% for $35. And United Steel was down 7%. And let's see, ConocoPhillips. Maybe it wasn't that bad as I thought. Actually, it must have been that ConocoPhillips did get in on the action. Just to let you know, Exxon and Chevron were up today over 2%. So if you're looking in the energy market, okay, here it is. Yeah, so ConocoPhillips was up 0.44% slightly. But if you look at its competitors like Chevron, CVX, did see a nice gain today at 1.17%. And then also over the week was up 4.59%. So those were some top stocks today. Again, the top stock was Tesla in my portfolio, where I gained a little over $100. But in second place was Apple. Apple was in control, and that I would say was my really top stock, considering it jumped over 8% during the peak of the trading day. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share. If you like this, start it in your investment journey. Please use my Robinhood link below. And we'll see you on the next video. Good night.